He called. I'm watching now.
I'm watching now too.
You don't stop at the red light.
There's a satellite right there.
We got a video blogger going here.
There's a satellite. Straight up. Yeah, that one.
I don't
It's
see
moving.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there
Satellite.
it is. Satellite right there.
Everybody flip at the bird.
Right there.
Hey, see it? One.
It's up
See it, feel it?
I see nothing.
Straight up above you, right above your
Straight
head,
up.
right here. It's going this
Oh,
way.
I see it.
It's a satellite.
Come here. It's up there.
Oh, cool. Now, see, this makes all that getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning worth it.
That was cool. That was really cool.
No. Come here.
Now we need to
Come
see
here.
the
Train.
satellites. We're up and we are watching the sunrise. The sky is already pretty. Just kind of pan over here. You can see that pink in the sky. That's really pretty. Little chilly this morning. Kind of breezy. I don't have the Osmo, so it might be my video might be a little bit shaky. It's a lovely morning in Quartzite. There's that awesome sunrise there, which is reflecting really cool off the back of these mountains over here. That looks really cool. That's really pretty. Wasn't, was I? Okay, we're in the big tent. A lot of stuff here. A lot of people here. Look at this amazing sunset. Hey, wave at the camera. That would be CR View, Tim and Crystal. Because, you know, we're all YouTubers, so we all must be videoing at this time. Now look at this. Look at this. No filter. No filter. This is actually the sky. It's amazing.